aka this little piggy. This is case number 05 TAC 04 TAC 2012 TAC Bravo Romeo 549. For those of you that watched Hee-Haw, that is BR 549. Convening authority, the Honorable Admiral Marie Lundquist, Judge Advocate General, USNR. The plaintiff affirms that probable cause exists to remand, bring charges against the defendant covered under United States statutes listed in the Uniform Code of Military Justice, hereby referred to as the UCMJ. Count 1, conspiracy. UCMJ, Article 81, the maximum sentence, death by butchery. The accused did conspire with members of the Piggy family to commit armed robbery, theft by taking an illegal production of roast beef and methamphetamines. Count 2, desertion. Your Honor, I had submitted these charges to the defense. The original charge was absolute illegal. That was since upgraded to desertion. Discovered that she had no intent on returning.
Duly noted.
His incarceration notwithstanding. Desertion, maximum sentence, death by cooking. The accused did without authorization absent himself from the USS Growler, SS 577, aka a diesel-powered pig boat, with intent not to return. Bumbleheads in the vicinity will recognize these. This is a particularly worrisome count. Count 3 is improper use of a countersign. UCMJ Article 101, maximum sentence, death by barbecue. The accused did openly and repeatedly use the classified United States Coast Guard Sentry countersign, we, all the way home. And count 4, espionage. UCMJ Article 106 Alpha. Maximum sentence, death by being the main course. The accused did illegally infiltrate a classified U.S. Army installation in the state of Kentucky, break into the locked office of one Colonel Sanders, the base intelligence officer and chief chef, then locate and steal a document titled as well as stamped Kilo Foxtrot Charlie Sierra Romeo, or KFC secret recipe. Then, with malice and forethought, proceed to market and sell said document to a foreign agent known by the military code name Papa Charlie, or the civilian name Popeye's Chicken. All proceedings and charges are covered under the following references. Reference A, manual court-martial. The authority to conduct this general court-martial is modified by special and unique circumstances involving members of the Piggy family and their suspected affiliation to and with the organized crime syndicate known as La Piga Nostra. Reference B, the Uniform Code of Military Justice. And we would also like to submit evidentiary exhibits A through C, which I believe Your Honor has.
Yes.
Exhibit A is a 1728 document, historical document, proving past family history, the Piggy family, and illegal activities of or like same nature as the accused. I'd like to read an excerpt, Exhibit A. This states that this little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef. This little piggy had none. He was there making methamphetamines. And this little piggy went wee all the way home. Exhibit B, current investigative document related to the Piggy family's criminal involvement in the Piggy Nostra activities. If needs be, we can go into the other family members of the Piggy family. And last but not least, Exhibit C, we do have a signed confession from Seaman Recruit. This little Piggy says, on my own volition and as an exercise of my personal free will, I hereby confess and admit committing crimes and violations listed in the criminal complaint 0504 2012 BR 549, as well as any additional charges that Mr. Corleone Lunsford invents. I stipulate that this confession was obtained without the use of coercion, excessive force, or torture of any kind. Please disregard the presence of sodium pentothal or other chemicals listed as truth serums that might be discovered during medical examination or autopsy. Also of no consequence are the water hose and washboard located in my cell. They are strictly for hygienic uses. Signed this date, this little Piggy. We also had a few witnesses in case there was any argument in the authenticity of this document. They are Louis DeLugna Luciano, Salvador Scarface Silano, Cesar Big C Capone, and my cousin, Alphonse Honest Abe Corleone. Your Honor, has a lot of overwhelming evidence that do find Seaman Recruit Piggy guilty as charged and give him the maximum sentence of death. Because, Your Honor, he is guilty. He is guilty.
Counsel, did you want to go over Exhibit B, the Piggy family members?
Glad.
Yes.
Glad. I thought we would hold that in advance. If you needed it, I can see that we're going to need it.
We're going to need it.
Okay. This is an investigative report. We had a confidential informant embedded in the Piggy family. One you know is quite suited to infiltrate this level of society. Is one Paul Guido Epsilon. He can't be here tonight. Oh, and Your Honor, I would like for you just to not worry about the fact that he is also my consigliere.
I'll take that as consideration.
He discovered the Piggy family, a family of veritable swine, that has allegedly been participating in organized crime activity with a history dating back to 1728. We read documented evidence from them. Of the 5 current family members, all of whom enlisted in the United States Armed Forces, only one has been apprehended. Before proceeding, the government would like to alert the general public to be on alert to these people. Be on the lookout for the following members of the Piggy gang. All refuted to be members of the Piggy Nostra. Again, eyewitness corroboration confirms this. We have Lance Corporal Petit Piggy, USMC. He is alleged to have entered the market with the intent to commit armed robbery.